Dear student, today our topic is mole concept. In daily life, we exchange many things according to numbers, as like bananas, we brought and dozens. As well in chemistry, we used compound molecule or atoms according to number of particles. This fundamental quantity known as amount of substance and its unit known as mole. Mole also represented by the small n. Amount of substance which contains 6.022 into 10 to power 23 particle known as 1 mole. In this place, particle means atoms, molecules and ions. According to definitions, 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon-12 isotope. Scientist Lorenzo Romano Amedeo Carlo Avogadro proved that every substance have 6.022 into 10 to power 23 particle in 1 mole amount. Every substance of 1 mole have different mass in gram, as like hydrogen gas contain 2 gram mass in 1 mole amount, oxygen gas contain 32 gram in 1 mole and water contain 18 gram in 1 mole of amount. As like molar mass is equal to molecular mass in gram, so molar mass also known as gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. We can calculate number of mole by following formula. Number of mole small n equal to given mass in gram upon molecular mass or molar atomic mass of compound. Small n equal to number of particle upon Avogadro number. Number of mole small n equal to given volume at STP in ml upon 22.4 liter.